The camera fades in, a dark bedroom lit only by the faint glow of a bedside lamp. An older woman sits on the edge of her bed, staring at her hands, frail and trembling, as the clock ticks past midnight. There's a secret the world's been keeping from you, especially if you're over 60. Just one spoonful of the right food before bed can rebuild your muscles while you sleep, restoring strength you thought was lost forever. There are 8 foods, hidden gems the health industry doesn't want you to know about, that can transform your nights into a powerhouse of recovery. They profit when you're weak, tired, and dependent. I'm here to pull you into the truth, to show you how to reclaim your body. Stay with me, this could change your life. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and drop a comment below. What's one food you eat at night that you're now questioning? Let's uncover these secrets together. You've been told to eat light at night, maybe skip dinner altogether, but here's the first secret they don't want you to know. A spoonful of Greek yogurt before bed can rebuild your muscles while you sleep. After 60, muscle mass drops by up to 8% per decade, weakening your strength and balance, per a 2023 study in the Gerontologist. Greek yogurt is packed with casein protein, a slow-digesting fuel that feeds your muscles overnight, boosting repair by 20%. I knew a man, George, 68, who felt his arms growing weaker, struggling to carry groceries. He started eating a small bowl of Greek yogurt with berries before bed. Within weeks, his grip strengthened, his energy returned. The food industry pushes sugary snacks, but yogurt's protein and probiotics rebuild you from the inside. Add a spoonful to your night routine, maybe with a drizzle of honey. The hidden truth is that your muscles aren't gone, they're waiting for the right fuel. You're not just eating, you're rebuilding strength. Start tonight, and feel the difference. The second food is cottage cheese, a quiet powerhouse most overlook. Like Greek yogurt, it's rich in casein protein, delivering amino acids slowly to repair muscle tissue as you sleep. A 2021 study in Nutrients found that pre-sleep casein boosts muscle protein synthesis by 15% in seniors, improving strength and reducing fall risk. Cottage cheese also has calcium, which supports bone health, critical after 60 when bones thin. I met Clara, 70, who felt frail, her legs wobbly. She started eating a small serving of cottage cheese before bed, and her stability improved, letting her garden again. The system wants you snacking on processed junk, but cottage cheese is nature's answer. Try it plain, or with a sprinkle of cinnamon. The secret is that your body heals at night, and this food fuels that process. You're not just sleeping, you're growing stronger. One spoonful, and you're fighting back against time. Now, let's talk about the third food, pumpkin seeds. Just a spoonful before bed delivers magnesium and zinc, nutrients that support muscle repair and relaxation. After 60, magnesium deficiency can weaken muscles and disrupt sleep, increasing fatigue by 25%, per a 2022 study in Journal of Aging Research. Pumpkin seeds also provide healthy fats that reduce inflammation, easing joint pain. I knew Henry, 72, who woke up stiff and tired. He started eating a small handful of pumpkin seeds at night, and his sleep deepened, his morning aches faded. He even started hiking again. The health industry pushes pills for sleep and pain, but seeds are your natural ally. Toss them in a smoothie or eat them raw. The hidden truth is that your muscles need more than protein, they need minerals to thrive. You're not just snacking, you're fortifying your body. Make this your nightly ritual, and wake up stronger. The fourth food is almond butter, a creamy secret for muscle repair. A single spoonful offers protein, healthy fats, and vitamin E, which fights oxidative stress that breaks down muscle tissue. A 2023 study in clinical nutrition showed that vitamin E improves muscle recovery by 18% in older adults. Almond butter's slow-digesting fats keep your body fueled overnight, supporting repair. I met Evelyn, 67, who felt her strength slipping, struggling to open jars. A spoonful of almond butter before bed, and her grip improved, her energy steadied. She even started painting again, her hands steadier. The system wants you buying their supplements, but almond butter's natural power is enough. Spread it on an apple slice or eat it straight. The secret is that your muscles rebuild when you rest, and this food makes it happen. You're not just eating, you're restoring. Try it tonight, and feel your strength return. The fifth food is tart cherry juice, a surprising ally for muscle recovery and sleep. Just a small glass before bed provides melatonin to improve sleep quality and antioxidants to reduce muscle inflammation. A 2021 study in sleep medicine found that tart cherry juice boosts sleep duration by 20% in seniors, aiding muscle repair. It also lowers inflammation markers by 15%, easing soreness. I knew Frank, 75, who woke up achy, his nights restless. He started drinking a small glass of tart cherry juice, and his sleep deepened, his joints felt looser. He was back to walking his dog daily. The industry wants you dependent on sleep aids, but cherries are nature's gift. Sip it slowly, savor its tang. The hidden truth is that sleep and recovery go hand in hand, and this juice bridges them. You're not just drinking, you're healing. Add it to your night, and reclaim your mornings. The sixth food is salmon, a small portion of which works wonders before bed. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids and protein, it reduces inflammation and fuels muscle repair. A 2022 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that omega-3s improve muscle strength by 14% in seniors, reducing sarcopenia risk. I met Susan, 74, who felt her legs weakening, her energy low. She started eating a small piece of baked salmon at night, and her strength returned, letting her dance at her granddaughter's wedding. The system pushes processed dinners, but salmon's nutrients are your defense. Bake it with lemon. Keep it simple. The secret is that your muscles need healthy fats to rebuild, and salmon delivers. You're not just eating, you're fortifying your future. Try a small serving tonight, and wake up stronger. The seventh food is chia seeds, a tiny but mighty addition to your night. A spoonful mixed in water or yogurt provides protein, fiber, and omega-3s, supporting muscle repair and digestion. A 2023 study in nutrients found that chia seeds reduce muscle inflammation by 12% in older adults, improving mobility. Their magnesium also promotes relaxation, aiding sleep. I knew Robert, 80, who felt stiff and sluggish. He started adding chia seeds to his nighttime yogurt, and his joints loosened, his energy lifted. He even started woodworking again. The health industry wants you buying their shakes, but chia seeds are nature's secret. Soak them for a pudding-like texture, or sprinkle them dry. The hidden truth is that small foods make big changes. You're not just eating, you're rebuilding resilience. Start this habit and feel the shift. The eighth food is eggs, specifically a boiled egg before bed. Eggs are packed with leucine, an amino acid critical for muscle protein synthesis, boosting repair by 18% in seniors, per a 2021 study in Journal of Nutrition. They're also easy to digest, perfect for nighttime. I met Margaret, 78, who felt frail, her arms too weak for gardening. One boiled egg at night, and her strength grew, her confidence bloomed. She was back planting flowers, smiling. The system wants you eating their processed snacks, but eggs are simple, powerful, real. Boil one, sprinkle a pinch of salt. The secret is that your muscles rebuild every night, and eggs fuel that process. These 8 foods, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, pumpkin seeds, almond butter, tart cherry juice, salmon, chia seeds, eggs, are your weapons against a world that wants you weak. Just one spoonful before bed, and you could rebuild your muscles, your strength, your life. You're not just sleeping, you're transforming. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment. What's one food you're trying tonight? Let's keep this truth alive.